It's a beautiful day in a quiet mountain town. Okay, and I'm gonna buy some local wine as well from them, because it is only 8 euros and so. It's beautiful down here, beautiful. Huh.
And you have the link here.
Yeah, I have a link here. And I want to buy the wine as well. 8 euros wine. Here's the Ronalds. I don't know where there's a Ronalds. Where's there is a Ronalds? Ronalds.
Currency.
Currency, really? Ron? What the heck?
Leia is translation in Latvian.
Leia is Latvian and Ron? Oh, interesting. We got these two wines, homemade. We were drinking here yesterday and we changed the wine. And they said this wine, what mother about, gonna stay here for 1 year. Come next year, they said, and it's gonna be still there. Okay, I will see the houses here. In a summertime, it's cost 350 lays. Translated, how much it's in euros or dollars, it's up to you. Here, in winter time, 250 lays. It's on this road called Transfăgărășan road. There is Top Gear's road. Guitar. I played guitar on the road. It's really the best thing to take with you if you can play some music instrument. Take music instrument to your any place, camping place, hiking place. Rob, thank you.
Rob,
Thank you for staying.
Nice to meet you.
And wine, no hangover, really good wine. Okay, we stayed this night in the Villa Balea Hotel, and we're going to Balea Lake, to Top Gear's mountain. Let's go down. Fucking right. Okay, forget the music. Let's enjoy the ride. 11 kilometers to the lake.
We're still fighting for best wins, we still are. Bucket drinks are royalty, but we still ride to see. But the sky's a different story, and I hate world's glory. But the doesn't see the light, see the zombies wide inside of you.
Donkeys. Oh.
Hey, right now we're in Romanian mountains. This lake is awesome. Can we see? There is wedding there. It looks good.
Spinning top.
This is old school. I like this stuff. This is, yeah, and yeah, just we're gonna go right now back to up to the mountain to the roads, and we're gonna camp after I don't know. I'm gonna tell you the miles on the way. Here, you see the husband kissing the bride. I don't know how it's in English, like sour. No, it's not right. But woo! You see, it's awesome. Yeah, follow my vlog. I'm Ron's vlog. Check it out in the YouTube. Thank you. This is the road what we drove yesterday in the night time. See the Balea Lake, and now we're going 130 kilometers to our camping place with BMW. Yeah, that's what we gonna do.
Hey, Samurai Joe, where you going with that sword? Hey, Samurai Joe, Japanese speaking, I hope you know. Hey, Samurai Joe, life in the sky, you can't slow. Hey, Samurai Joe, let me be your ninja boy. We be happy couple, baby, sitting and eating sushi in restaurants. I will do your foot massage while you're watching Yu-Gi-Oh! Games, so not to mention. We have a trip into the volcano while Samurai Joe look at us. I really want to drop that country, are you want to do? We can do it! Hey, Samurai Joe, where you going with that sword? Hey, Samurai Joe, Japanese speaking, I hope you know. Hey, Samurai Joe, life in the sky, you can't slow. Hey, Samurai Joe, let me be your ninja boy. Summon Japanese skaters cause my way, what's gonna happen now? Don't buy me in my lips, I play success card group, but say. Recognize medication, DSA, okay, but no, but religion can crash my way. Since was medication, that's new for my religionist, you can do it! Hey, Samurai Joe, where you going with that sword? Hey, Samurai Joe, Japanese speaking, I hope you know. Hey, Samurai Joe, life in the sky, you can't slow. Hey, Samurai Joe, let me be your ninja boy.
Good morning, Romania. Okay, day number 7, and we're going to Dracula's place. Finally, leaving the hotel. Thanks. Yeah, and all navigation is out. We need to find by our own that castle. On our way to the camping near BRAN'S castle, we are eating in this spot. To be honest, this is really weird food. There's cheese, this is cheese, and this is sour cream. What? What? As you see, here's some shopping places in the mountains. They're always good, always. But if you can target, if you can make a deal, then go there. If no, then no. Here it is. Palikām. No. Tiešām nice. Nice. Oh, box, no? Okay, I'm here next to Dracula's castle. I'm gonna start do some action. So in the middle of a process right now. I'm turning into vampire, and we have only half an hour to do the excursion and as well filming. Okay, we are exploring the castle right now, and I look like a jerk. Torture room. Crazy. I see the lady as well as torture room. Do I look scary a little bit? Dracula or vampire. Dracula. Gribu palasīt, vai ne? Vampires in mythology and folk context are modern corpse feeding the blood. Legends say the vampires cannot walk in the daylight. Their skin is extremely white. Yeah. Their teeth, eye are very sharp. They can be easily mistaken for ordinary people. I don't know, but when certain changes in their mood occur, their eyes become fluorescent. Once they have started to drink blood, they cannot stop and generally play with their prey before eating it. They live for hundreds of years, and their skin and blood are very cold. In contemporary writings and films and documentaries, vampires are incredibly intricate creatures. According to mythology, however, each vampire used to be an ordinary human being. Vampires feed on blood and hunt only at night. Legends concerning these creatures are found in the most people's culture. The most famous one encountered in South and Central America is El Chupacabra, which is said to have made more victims than any vampires in vampires history. Chupacabra is Ronalds. There's no spark. If you're too scared to ignite, always be dark. If you're too afraid to see, there's no spark. If you're too scared to ignite, always be dark. If you're too afraid to see. Okay, crazy. My sunglasses is with white as well. See? See? Hello. Hello. Okay, we're done. The shooting is done. Hi. And yeah, it was good. I tried to do the best I could because we had a limited time. If Anatolijs Ci would be here with me, would be different. But he would be angry as me as well. So all world is angry at me because, you know, it's like finally. They're so good. We're leaving the DRACULAS Bran castle because we need to go home to Latvia, and it's gonna be a long way back.
Very cool leader.